Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and I want to talk today about the final edition Model S and Model X from Tesla. We all heard the news about them discontinuing these lines. While we're bummed about that, we're excited that we can make a final edition, super exotic, totally custom for you. That's what T-Sportline's been doing for over a decade on Teslas. And I've got a great example today. This is the latest one out of our shop. This is a T-Largo R package installed on a Model X. Now, you can look at our website. We have a lot of examples of custom Model S's and Model X's, and we've got a lot of orders coming in right now because our old customers are grabbing one of the last Model S's, the last Model X's, and getting them done exactly how they went to their spec through our custom services. So let's get into this Model X T-Largo package we have right here. Starting with a beautiful Model X foundation, you see the wide body package, which is the carbon fiber accents, the body package, which is going to make a wider stance. And of course, the 22-inch wheels, which are deep offset and set outside. So you have a couple of inches added for this wide body look. Looks truly amazing. The carbon fiber parts are really high quality. They fit nicely and it looks good. It's not boy racer, it's more of a high performance look. I love the way it looks on the Model X. And of course, we have some accent carbon fiber parts. You've got mirror covers, camera covers, a V trim in the front. And this customer, as you might be able to see here, opted for us to custom paint the brake calipers and the T emblem on the front of this car. Really looks awesome. Now you might notice this is also wrapped in color PPF. This is T-Max Metallic Jade Black. It's actually a really dark green. It's going to give you a black look in low lights, but it's super metallic and it's a dark jade green. One of our best colors, looks amazing on Model X and Model S. Really nice stuff. And of course, there's window tint installed on this, and there's T-Max ceramic coating installed over the PPF. So you get a full package. You've got the wide body T-Largo R, you've got the special wheels, you have the carbon fiber accents, the color PPF for protection and looks, and then the ceramic coating. This is beautiful. Now, in this one, it's still a stock interior, but we don't stop there. Check out our website, tsportline.com. Go to the gallery section, look at Model S and Model X. We do a lot of custom interiors, and this can extend inside the car. You can pick the leather, you can pick the piping, you can pick the threads, you can pick the stitching patterns, you can pick carbon fiber bits, whether you want them satin or gloss, all throughout the interior. It's a full custom interior configurator. We've been doing this for over a decade on Teslas and about 3 decades in general on cars. So nobody does it better than us. Check it out, custom services at T-Sportline. We would love to do a final edition Model S, Model X to your spec, the ultimate head turner, the ultimate build for that final edition. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, let me know what you think of this, and make sure you subscribe to our channel because we're going to be sharing a lot more of these custom builds for you.